Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and unmute WhatsApp status. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your WhatsApp. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna pop up, right? So here in this section you can find this option called updates, just right over here. Go ahead, tap on it. Here in this updates section you're gonna find all of the updates including your status. So afterwards you're gonna go ahead, tap on this three dot icon given on top. Go ahead, tap on it, and it will show this option called muted updates for you. Tap on it, and if you have added anybody, if you have muted anybody's update, you're gonna find this list over here. You can go ahead, tap on that individual contact of yours, and again select this unmute option for them, and now they will be out of this muted updates, and then you can see the updates, status updates right there in your WhatsApp whenever you want. So that is how you can simply unmute any of the muted updates for you, and you can see as well over here. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.